Hello everyone, welcome in our pattern making classes. Friends, in this video, I will give you the overview of this 3D software. This is our first video. I hope you will like this video and you will support us. So let's get started. In this video, I will just show you how the software will work. Okay, this is our 3D panel, 3D model panel, and this is our 2D model panel. Okay, we will make 2D patterns here and we will stitch the 2D pattern and fit on the model so we can check how the garment look. This video is just an overview of this software. In our next video we will explain you detailed. We will make a detailed video related to 3D model so you can learn this software and test your garments, test your designs in the software. Okay, so this is our file menu. From here we can add, create, we can create new files, we can open our existing files, and we can save, import and export our files. This is edit menu. We can undo and redo and copy paste options available in this menu. This is 3D option. In this option we will make changes in 3D panel. Okay, this is 2D pattern. We will, if we want to make some changes in our 2D pattern, then we will use these options. From here we can change in our 2D pattern. This is swing. We can stitch our pattern from this section. These are the materials. We can change the fabric, texture, graphic from this section. This avatar means the model, which model you want to choose. From here you can choose different models. You can edit the avatar and change the measurements of the avatar. Display section is used for the interface. We can change all over the interface of our software. We can hide and unhide some tools from the working area from this option. These are the preferences and these are the settings. So guys, here we end this video, and we hope you will like this video. And this is just an overview. In our next video we will explain you this software in details, so you will get latest videos related to this software. And don't forget to click notification icon so you will get notification of our latest videos. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.